Karen's kitchen. Today we're going to be making one of my most favorite theatre snacks as well as a favorite sleepover snack. It is caramel popcorn. So let's get started. Into my pan I'm going to be adding is my sugar and water and let this come to an amber shade color. Keep stirring this if you need to. Also have another person to help you because it's kind of a little difficult. See, you're on the right track. Keep stirring and it will take another few minutes to turn brown. Now that it has turned brown, let us quickly add in is the butter, mix it up and add in is our baking soda. After you set it to cool for a few minutes, you can break it up and put it in your bowl. Let's taste them. This is so delicious.